I got 271 over 300 in my A-level biology exam, and this is how I beat the examiner.
Okay, so we have a question here that they're doing a study on ground beetles. They've looked in the guts. They're trying to get some DNA. Look, most of the time when you're collecting DNA, you're going to get a really small sample. So to get more, we need to amplify using PCR, polymerase chain reaction. Whenever I have a question on polymerase chain reaction, I will literally basically just say all the steps. So denaturation, annealing, extension, say the temperatures as well, really good to do. And then also just a bit of information about each step in there as well. And then finally, I'd say repeat it about 30 times. And I think that should essentially be able to give you all the marks when you have a PCR question. If you need to go in more detail, it would be more marks than that. Cool. In terms of this one, the movement of the DNA fragments, we just need to think logically, right? DNA is negatively charged, so we're moving towards the positive electrode, the anode, right? Then what we also know is that small fragments, smaller, they're going to be able to move a bit more easily compared to large fragments. If you're thinking to push a small object, we need to use less force compared to a large object. So small fragments move further than large fragments, both of them towards the anode. Now, last part of the question, we've got this sample here. What I'd look at is for 1 and 3, you can see here, if you underline it in red, 1 and 3, I can see that those are pretty much the same. I can also see that 2 and 4 are the same. Cool. In that case, I can say that there's different banding patterns between 1 and 3 and 2 and 4. So that means that we are having multiple species. It's not just one species that's present here. If it was one species, the DNA would be the same.